Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will try to show you how to create a master slide in your presentation, whether you are using PowerPoint, Google Slides, or any other platform. Mastering this feature will save you time, keep your slides consistent, and make you look like a professional. So first, let's talk about what a master slide is. Master slide is like a blueprint for your entire presentation. It allows you to set fonts, colors, logos, and layouts that apply across all your slides automatically, only with one click. This eliminates repetitive formatting and ensure consistency. It sounds great, right? And let me just mention what are the main advantages of this master slides. So master slide it saves time. So no need to repeat formatting for each slide. So if I change the color, the background here, I just change it one, and it will be applied for all of these slides and ensure consistency. As you can see here, all the slides have the same appearance. The position of this one, I mean the logos in the same position, the this also in the same position, and even you can't even delete them from any slide. And easy update design. So change the master slide and all slides update automatically, right? And let me just show you one example. So I have used in these slides, and of course I will show you step by step to do this. So I have created here a master slide, and let me just see. I just come to mind to change the background color, or maybe only this color here. And even so, you can see this is the slide number. It's getting automatically increased, so you don't need to do it manually. So let me just show view slide master and go to this one here and assume that we need to change this color. I will go to the chip. Let me see. I just need to do this color here and go to slide master just to close the master view. And if you are here, you need to go slide master to close the master view. And see, you can see now this color here is already changed with only one click. And if you don't have let's say using a master slide, you have to change it manually in all slides and assume that you have 20s or maybe 100 slides in your presentation. Not only this, assume that you have many shapes you need to do to change it. And let me show you here. I need to change the font. I will go to masters first of master slide. And this one, for instance, I need to change the color to, I mean size to 60. Let me see. And save, close, and you can see it's changed in all the slides. Now let me just show you how to do this in one uh, let's say a new presentation. This is a Microsoft of course. And let me see, I will go to here, view slide master, and first you see, if I go here home, and you can see this is a new slides. I will just select this one here and all the other closed or deleted. Go to master slide, go to the top. Let me see, I need to change here the background color. Let me see this one, and maybe I have to insert this object in here. And let me just save and close. And let me create now a new slide. You can see it's automatically inserted here. I don't need to insert it manually. And if I select another format slide, let's see, this was two columns, it will be also inserted here. Now let me see, I need to change the color of these slides. I will go to the view, slide master, go to the top. Now I need to change the color because I don't like these colors. I'll just see, save, close. You can see it's already changed automatically, and you don't need to do anything manually. And let me see, you need to add the slide number automatically. I'll go slide master. In here, you need to add a text. So you need to insert shape, text. Let me put it here. Let's see. I put it here. No. And you can also change the shape, the size. I think the size should be here. Let's see, 44. And inside this text, you need to insert a slide number. You can see it because it's minimized, but if you maximize this, you can see slide number. So let me just add this here. Let me just see, I added here. Okay, and save. To close the master slide, master view, you need to go to slide master, close. Then you can see here, slide 1, 2, 3, and if you create a new one, will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13, because this is you can see here 9 and 10. It's just we need to increase the size, but let's just do it. Why not? Because we need to make it consistent. Let's see. Slide view, you can see 12, 10, and everything now it's changed on only with one click. Okay, that's it for today tutorial. Now you know how to create and use the master slide and why it's such a powerful feature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite time-saving tips for presentation. Thanks for watching and happy learning.